Shanti, on page 6 in the Dynamic Quantum Transformation book about the Vedanta philosophy, it has an aspect about God, God without quality and form, God with qualities but without form, God with qualities and form, God incarnated into human form as an avatar. Can you explain more about that for us?
Yes. According to science and Advaita Vedanta philosophy, Advaita means non-dual, and quantum physics scientifically proves entire universe is nothing but unified field of consciousness. There is nothing but consciousness, that is all. Other than that, what exists is energy and vibration. So in terms of Sankhya philosophy, Purusha and Prakriti. Purusha is consciousness and Prakriti is nature. Entire universe is made with combination of Purusha and Prakriti. Prakriti or nature is mostly entire world we see, everything with a name and form. Human beings, animals, insects, plants, everything is a nature. Okay. So this is the God we worship, and worshipping that God would be I am that, thou art that. Tattvamasi, thou art that. Aham Brahmasmi, I am Brahman. Or Moses said, I am that I am. That is nothing. I am is everything. There is no one outside of me. Now this approach is very high for average person. They cannot comprehend. So most religions have duality. Duality means God in the heaven, but doesn't have any form. Just have quality of God. He generates, He protects, He guides us. So people worship God. So this way, by being dualistic or using dualistic approach, we worship God, so we heighten our consciousness. So this is the approach of most religions. Okay. Advaita Vedanta, quantum physics, and Buddhism use it non-dual approach. That means everything is supreme consciousness, there is nothing outside of it. Then when you worship God, that is dualistic, Dvaita, and there are so many approaches to Dvaita. In Hinduism, they build up the concept that God without quality I cannot worship. I want to worship God into human form. So the concept is God incarnates into human form, though God remembers all the divinity, but comes in the human form, acts like human to teach lesson to humanity, and that is called Avatara. The movie Avatar was made, so the word Avatar, is Avatar means God incarnates by free will to lift the souls, establish righteousness in the world. Okay. Then another approach is God in human form is some human beings evolve and purify themselves and receive the message from God, and they preach. So they become conduit to spread the message, and this is called Messiah. Messiah means messenger of God. Other than that, spiritual holy man, guru, these are different approaches. Guru is somebody who is spiritually evolved, who is in the human form, who can guide you directly to lift you up and show you the direction to dualistic God or God of your choice, so that you can ultimately go into awareness of supreme consciousness. This is why in the altar we put the image of Guru, which is who guides us, to Krishna Radha or God and Goddess image. God and Goddess image represents Purusha and Prakriti, God and God's creation. And beyond that, Om symbolizes Brahman or supreme consciousness. So according to one's own faith, one can worship. Even in Hindu tradition, there are demigods who are specialized, like goddess of learning, goddess of wealth, god of strength, god for different attainment. So all this worship lifts our consciousness to that level. So all of them have significance. Worship, prayer, all this lift our consciousness. And those who are very highly evolved, they can bypass all the rituals, all the religions, and go directly into the experience that I am one with God. Shivoham, Shivoham, Satchidanando. But this approach may not be appropriate for so many. This is called Gnani Yoga, I am that I am. For most people, Bhakti Yoga, worshipping God in any form, or Karma Yoga, selfless service, can be easier path to attain the same ultimate goal. So there are choices. It is not one is superior to other, but depending upon your tendency and temperament, you choose the path. All the paths lead to the same ultimate goal. So there is no conflict.